Hello everyone, this is Cassie.
Hello everyone, this is Hedy.
Welcome to Orient. We specialize in providing efficient and secure power distribution solutions for data centers.
Today, join us on an exclusive tour inside our facility. Discover the production process of Orient PDUs and learn why they are a must-have for data centers across the globe.
PDUs are indispensable in data center. It can stably distribute electricity to each server.
For unwavering quality, we've got state-of-the-art production lines, all outfitted with cutting-edge automated machinery.
We hold every single component to the highest standard. Our PDU casings are produced by high-precision stamping equipment, control colors to the micro level, ensuring great quality.
Every electrical component, from circuit boards and sockets to switches, is painstakingly installed in line with rigorous international standards.
Before leaving the factory, every PDU goes through regular electrical tests. This ensures they can operate stably in various of high-low working environments.
With data centers taking more AI, big data, and cloud computing tasks, their need for accurate and dependable power distributions has skyrocketed.
That's why our PDU incorporate intelligent monitoring system, allowing real-time tracking of power consumption and distribution.
When irregularities arise, the system doesn't just notify, it takes immediate action. Automated load redistribution kicks in within milliseconds to maintain seamless operations.
And our PDU supports remote monitoring. That means management teams can check power status and make a judgment anytime, right from their smartphone or computers.
Whether powering AI clusters, cloud platform, or data-intensive workloads, Orient PDU guarantee reliable and uninterrupted energy so your critical systems stay online always.
With advanced manufacturing process and intelligent technology, Orient PDU reliable support of data center of all sites worldwide.
Our solutions are trusted by numerous global data centers, ensuring their efficiency, reliability, and seamless operations.
We are glad to show you the manufacturing process and technical advantage of Orient PDU.
Orient is dedicated to offering the world's most reliable and intelligent power distribution solutions tailored for data centers.
Thank you for joining us today. Welcome